Welcome to Falcon Technology of how to get started with your Falcon DIY 4G. The Falcon portable 4G antenna comes with a suction cup and a magnetic base and can be used either on the base or the back of the antenna. To set up your Falcon 4G DIY booster kit is easy. How to set up your Falcon 4G internet booster. First, remove the back of your router, remove the battery and insert the SIM card in the SIM tray. Insert the battery and back plate, plugging in the power cable and the antenna cable. With one of your devices, search for Wi-Fi, then connect to the Falcon 4G hotspot. The password for the Falcon 4G hotspot is on the front of the router. Enter the password into your device. Now you are connected. Now sit back, stream a movie, or simply use the internet as you do at home, but now in your mobile home. Life made easy by Falcon.